Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to tell you how to install Zoom for Windows and how to use it. So let's start. So first of all, go to your browser and type here Zoom for Windows and just press enter. Here click on this official link. And here you can download from here. If your system is 32-bit, you can download from here, and if your system is 64-bit, you can download from here. So my system is 64-bit, so I will click on this and it will take some time and it is installed. So I will open it. It will take a few minutes to initialize, then it will open. So this is our Zoom Cloud Meetings for Windows. So if you want to join a meeting, just click on join a meeting and enter your meeting ID here and also your name. If you want to join the meeting, then just click on this button. For example, my meeting ID is this and I will enter name this. So you can also check out this of two options: do not connect to audio and turn off my video, and just click on this button to join the meeting. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.